Hey everyone, my name is Kiera Choice, and guess what? This is my first YouTube review, and guess what? We're going to be reviewing the HTVRONT cell phone heat press. Now listen, this is more than just a cell phone heat press. You can do buttons, you can do coasters, you can do anything, cell phone cases, of course, and anything that you can think of. So with the package, of course, it comes with this beautiful heat press, and then of course it give you some gloves. You have this special type of sublimation paper, which we'll get into it as well. And then of course it has like the fixtures, okay? So listen, it is homecoming season, and why not do something related to homecoming? So I'm gonna actually start off with doing something with a coaster, and then we're gonna end up doing some buttons, because guess what? Buttons are very popular for homecoming. So if you are a mother or a crafter, listen, these buttons for both for me is definitely the one for the books, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it.
Your girl.
All right, you guys. So listen, if you want to see more tutorials from me on my YouTube channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in the comments, say, Kiera, I want to see more tutorials from you. Okay, so that will let me know, like, okay, girl, y'all want to see me? I want to see y'all too. All right, so what I'm going to do, because this is a special type of film, I'm going to tape it. I'm going to tape it on top of the glossy paper, okay? So the matte side, you have to print it, but the glossy paper, you want to put your paper on top, if that makes sense, okay? So you can use any type of tape. I don't have tape because, listen, I'm in my new shop, and listen, when I get everything done, I'm going to give y'all a full tutorial of my new shop. Right now, it's bare. As y'all can see, it's very bare. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and just tape it, so that way when I print it out, it will not give me any paper jams, okay? All right, so y'all probably can't see me doing this, but I am just taping it to the edge, so that way we will not get no paper jams. Okay. And the printer that I'm using is the Epson 1500, I believe. If not, I'll put it in the comment section in the description box, so that way you'll know which printer I am using for this video. So this is going to assure that there is no type of paper jam with this particular type of paper, okay? So place the paper on top of the glossy, and then you should feel like when you get the paper, you will feel the glossy side and you will feel the matte side. The matte side you're actually going to be printing on, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can just try to scoot my printer in the mix. I hope y'all can see it. Listen, let me check. Know what to do. And hopefully you find this video beneficial. All right. So when I open up it's 15,000, not 100. 15,000. I know I had it wrong. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to place my paper like this up. So if you got a 15,000 printer, this is what you need to do. I'm going to put it in the main tray. So I'm going to place it up just like this. Okay. And we're actually printing. We're going to start off with the coaster. And then I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the HTVRONT cell phone case. And then we're going to go ahead and print it. So I'm not a pro at this, so I'm only printing on it one side. I'm pretty sure we can put multiple on there. But being that this is my first time doing this, we'll be printing one at a time. All right, so now, once we got our paper, so remember, you do is sublimation. You still have to mirror it. Hold on. There we go. You still have to mirror it. So I'm just going to take this off. And I am going to lit this. So my matte side, I'm going to just face it like this. So that way it can dry for 10 minutes, y'all. 10 minutes. So we're going to let this dry for 10 minutes. All right. So now what we're about to do, we're about to go ahead and, I should have had turned it on so it could have go ahead and heat press. But listen, this really doesn't come with any instructions on time. So we just going to do what we do. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And like I said, we're going to actually try this. We're going to try this coaster. Okay. So you really can try any sublimation blink. So I'm just going to place this in the middle. And I'm just going to let this heat up for a minute. So don't do what I do. Do better. I'm going to put my gloves on. So right now, I got mine set for 320 for 370 seconds. So, like I said, I don't know because they don't really give you no time, but this is what I'm going to set it to. Okay? So, I'm going to take, your gloss is going to be up and your matte is going to be down. Okay? All right, so I'm going to try to center this in the middle because what it's going to do, once we close it, it's going to suck it up. Like it's going to vacuum seal it. So I'm just going to, y'all can't see me off camera, but I'm actually standing on a little ladder to make sure that it is somewhat in the center. In the center. Move it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I think we're good. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and shed it, and then I'm just going to press this button, and we just gonna see. So now this is what it looks like. And let's get it off the plate. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's nice. I like this. This is cute. So I definitely want to see how it looks with the buttons. So we're going to do the buttons, okay? All right. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But over. So if you see the plate has these little grooves where we're going to stick the fixture on for the buttons, okay? So I think I only want to do one button. So I'm going to put the plate down and then place the buttons. Place the plate on here. These gloves are too big. And then you're gonna take your button and you're just gonna place it like this. Hold on. My gloves are too big, y'all. So I'm gonna place it like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place it like this. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so I'm only printing one at a time because I'm not a pro at this. But I'm gonna try to align That's the only thing I don't like about it, because you don't know if it's aligned correctly. All right, so let's go ahead and go for it. So let's go ahead and see what this is about. All right, I just hope that I did it correctly. All right, so let me put both of gloves. Let me put both of my gloves on. All right, I'm gonna just close this so y'all can see. All right, so you definitely gotta peel it hot. It's definitely gotta peel it hot. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. I did it. Now the button, I did it. It's printed out real nice, but the button actually go this way, not this way. But listen, this is room for trial and error. Trial and error. So it's not hot all the way, so we good. Oh, it is still hot. So let me put my gloves back on. So let me come closer to the camera so y'all can see. So y'all can see it. It's not bad. And then this is this. Okay. So overall, my experience with the HTVRONT cell phone case, I'm gonna give it a strong 8. And the reason why, and I'm gonna say this, when I feel like it can be room for improvement. You know, I would like to see paper that you don't have to add another sheet of paper on top of for the printer to go directly through it, right? So that was really like a no for me, because when I initially didn't put the paper inside, like I said, I was keep getting paper jam. So maybe another quality of paper that requires you only to just insert it in without adding like another piece of paper so the printer can recognize it. Okay, so that's one. Number two, a way to see how if we are aligning it a little bit better, because honestly, it was just like a prayer to see if it was aligned right. So that is real big, because what if you have a lot of orders that you have to get done, and I don't want to mess up on a button or a coaster or anything. So I haven't tried the cell phone case, but I love the button. The coaster is giving a little vintage, but the colors are still there. I definitely do love the button, because the button gave you all around. It gave you all around, so it's like a full bleed for the buttons. So I do love the buttons. But like I said, the paper itself, I really don't care for the paper. However, this is a wonderful machine. I will continue using it with different projects that I come along the way. But if those can be like modified like in the next couple of months or so, I would definitely give it a 9.9 or a 10, but I'm definitely going to give it a 8. But if you have already purchased this, and leave me some comments, some tips in the comments below, so that way I'll know like how to use this better. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like to see more of me, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on all of my social media platforms, which will be listed down in the description box. See y'all until next time.